Welcome to the full training module for sound pronunciation. There is a PDF document that goes along with this training module. As I go through the training, I will present the sound and an example word with the sound. Short vowel sounds. A, am, x, if, on, us. Long vowel sounds. A, ape, eve, I, bike, o, home, you, cute, or oo, do. Continuous consonant sounds. Mom, sat, lip, fun, nap, van, rat, win, yes, zap. Stop consonant sounds. Big, tap, cat, him, jet, kit, dog, got, pit, and usually this one is on its own. Ox. Digraphs and combinations. Chat, shop, that, math, phone, sick, sing, quit. R controlled vowels. Arm, her, or, for, sir, fur. Additional R controlled vowels. Air, care, pair, ear, hear, ear, dear, earn, nurse, ire, fire, or, more, or, sore, or, poor, ewer, lure. Trigraphs. Edge, itch. Diphthongs. Oi, oil. Oi, boy. Ow, cow. Ow, out. Broad O variants. Ah, jaw. Ah, haul. Ah, wash. Ah, ought. Ah, not. Double O, hook. Put. Could. Double O, ooh. Ooh, moo. Ooh, soup. Second spelling for consonants. S, scent. Z, is. J, gem. Gz, exam. Final E. S, face. J, age. V, live. Z, nose. Inconsistent spellings. Sh, sugar. J, treasure. Ch, future. Sh, picture. K, echo. Sh, mission. J, vision. Sh, special. Sh, nation. Here are additional long and short vowel patterns. Adding Watch out for the added to your sounds. A stop sound example of this is saying b for b. A continuous sound example for this is saying w for woo. Adding the sound makes it hard to read the words. It's not d-og for dog. It's not r-abbit for rabbit. Using the sound types to read. For continuous sounds, you can overemphasize the continuous sound length to help the students blend those continuous sounds together. Whereas stop sounds, you can do a quick transition with the following sound right next to it. Additional sound notes. The sound for X contains the stop sound k and the continuous sound s. In this training module, x was grouped with the stop sounds. The long U sound is most often associated with U, but it will sound like oo when the preceding sound uses the tip of the tongue. The E before the second spelling of X, or gz, is pronounced I.